Here's where you can go to find the equalizer setting or even simply turn it on. This is for a Tecno Spark phone or a Tecno Camon phone and even Infinix Hot smartphones with Android 13 or 14. Wherever you are on your phone, use the quick panel access like this, then tap on the settings here. Then from here on now, you want to go to sound and vibration right there. As you're here, you'll see all these. And you want to go down to where it says DTS sound right there. In this section here, you'll now see these options. And if you look down a little bit, you'll see the equalizer setting. You can tap into it here and turn it on like that, and then go inside of it. And this is how you are able to adjust with the bands here, okay? So it's just 5 bands in all. And if you know how to work these very good, you can get yourself some better sound quality, and you can reset it if you are ready for that. Like and sub.